Hello guys! As I said in the last video, I will show you how I install my system, but today this is not just a system. It's a big hair with the possibility of many hairstyles. And I'm very happy and excited to try this. The system is a front lace for a more realistic finish if I want to wear my hair up. So let's go. First of all, I start by tying my hair up to have more control and organization. Then I place the system upside down on the plastic base to apply the glues. And in this system, I will use the glue tape on the microskin and the liquid glue on the front lace. Then I apply the glue tape on the entire microskin very close to the edges. Before I remove the protective paper from the glue tape, I mark where I want the hair to start on the forehead. After that, yes, I can remove the protective paper. To be safer, I apply glue on the inside of the system. And as always, I start from the front to the back, from the forehead to my back, using my fingers and pressing hard to fix the glue as much as possible. Now I'm going to work on the front lace very carefully and paying very attention to give it a realistic finish, just like I say on the beginning. Using a hair dryer to make it stick better, tying the front lace with an elastic headband for 10 minutes and ta-da! Look at this result, oh my god, it's very beautiful and natural, seriously, I'm feeling amazing, yeah? And before I show you guys some hairstyles that I can do with the system, follow Lavivid Hair on social medias and comment on this video what you think of my hair. Yes, that's it, kisses.